Let me show you how I made this delicious pineapple chipotle chicken. Now to start off, I made a marinade base. I took a can of chipotle peppers, a little bit of onion, some garlic cloves, lime juice, and I also added in some pineapple juice. I went ahead and put that in my blender and I blended it down until it was nice and smooth. Now this is going to be my marinade base, and I'm also going to use a little bit of it in my glaze. Next, I took some chicken breast and I gave them a crisscross cut. It makes the appearance even prettier and it helps with the cooking time. It helps it to cook a little bit faster. Just like that. Now in my big bowl, I'm going to add some seasonings. I'm going to add some onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of cumin, some oregano, a little bit of ginger powder, and some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to throw in a few tablespoons of that marinade. And then I'm going to throw in about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now I'm going to mix that well, and this is what I'm going to season my chicken with. I'm going to add my chicken in the bowl. And I'm going to fully coat my chicken. I made sure I got into all those little crevices. I'm going to sit that aside and let it marinate. Next, I'm going to take some fresh pineapple. I cut me up a couple of slices, thicker slices, and I added them to a hot skillet. I wanted to get them nice and caramelized on each side. I'm going to take those out and set them aside. In that same skillet, I added a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken and let my chicken cook for about 6 minutes on each side. You want to make sure it's completely done. You want to get some beautiful crispy sear on the outside. Now when my chicken's completely done, I'm going to go ahead and add in a couple of tablespoons of butter. Now this right here is my glaze. All it is some pineapple juice, a little bit of that marinade, some honey, and lime juice. You're going to pour that over your chicken and you're going to let it simmer for a couple of minutes. It's going to get super thick and sticky and glazy. It's so good, you guys. Now you're going to baste your chicken with that glaze. Now I'm going to eat mine with a little bit of steamed rice, some cabbage. Look at how beautiful this chicken is. It's sweet, it's savory, a little bit spicy, hits you in the back of the throat. Not too spicy though. It's just delicious, you guys. You gotta give it a try. Yum.